First, we need to attach the BP cuff into the upper arm. Once done putting the BP cuff into the upper arm, put the speedometer between the wrap layer of the BP cuff. Next is, we put air into the BP cuff by pumping it until reach 160 or 200 blood pressure. Make sure to clock the bulb by twisting it counterclockwise. Next is, slowly release the pressure by twisting the bulb clockwise and listen to the beat of your pulse by using a stethoscope, or use your finger and put it your radial wrist to feel the beat of your pulse. Listen to the first loudest beat to be able to get the systolic rate, and listen to the lowest beat to get the diastolic rate. Once done, fully release the air pressure to release all air out. The BP of the patient is 120/80. First, put the thermometer in the axillary area of the patient. Wait for a minute or wait until the thermometer beeps so that you will capture the right degree Celsius of the body of the patient. Once done, remove the thermometer in the armpit of the patient. The degree Celsius of the patient is 35.3 Celsius. By doing the pulse rate, first we need to locate where is the pulse of the patient. Now that we locate the pulse of the patient in the radial area of the patient, place your index and middle finger in the radial area of your wrist to feel the pulse and set a time until 1 minute. The pulse of the patient is 77 per minute. Along with this part, we'll do the respiration by estimating the breath of the patient. By doing the respiration, set the timer to 1 minute and let the patient count the breathing until the timer stops. The respiration of the patient is 22 respiration per minute.